Hey, this is Aditya Bhatt from ICT 19 OS Virtual Lab team number 17. We have carried out the project of team number 9 uh, of our seniors. So they have done disk scheduling algorithms. This is the disk scheduling algorithms that our seniors have done. Uh, they have implemented around 8 algorithms, and their seniors have done scheduling algorithms, and they have two implemented around 7 to 8 algorithms, and we have carried out uh, page replacement algorithms. In page replacement algorithm, along with me in my team number 17, we have Kashyap Barot, Abhi Patel, Darshish Shah, Daksh Patel, and Devdutt Thakkar. So these are my teammates that have worked along with me hardly to complete the work correctly and perfectly. So we have implemented algorithms in page replacement algorithms. First is first in, first out. Second is optimal page replacement. And third is least recently used. These are the three types of algorithms that we have implemented in page replacement algorithm. Now, uh, we have done the explanation part. After clicking the selected algorithm, you can see the explanation part of the first in first out algorithm. You can read all the uh, teaching stuff, and this is the example we have taken for page replacement algorithms. This is how it works. This is how miss, hit, and total page fault occurs, and how this is how we can calculate. Also, advantages and disadvantages of each and every algorithms are given in the explanation part. Along with that, we have given the Baladi's anomaly, means which algorithm suffers from Baladi's anomaly. That also we have classified in the disadvantage or advantage part. So let's start the simulation part. In simulation, if we can click here, then we have to enter this reference string that we usually give to OS, means operating system. Operating system generally takes it. So this is like we have to enter having space between each and every character, and the character should be in digit only. And after inputting the reference string, we have to select how many frames. You can simply type here 12 or 2, or you can do by this the upper arrow. We are selecting reference 3 frames for the this much long reference string. Now, show out by clicking on show output, we get the whole uh, how we get the whole table of the reference string, uh, and each and every step where we get the misses and where we get the hits. So here it's written that pages are 13 pages we have inputted as a reference string. There are 3 frames. We got the 2 hit. We got 11 fault. Hit ratio is 0.15 and miss ratio is 0.85. Um, Here we can cross verify by adding the hits and number of hits and number of faults. Adding the number of hits and number of faults should be equal to pages. Means this our algorithm we have implemented is exactly correct, and it has no means deficiency in it. After resetting it, we can give any other string something, and we have kept uh, restrictions on the number of strings. We last time we have inputted 13 strings. Right now we are giving more than 13 string. Actually, we have restricted till 16. So now selecting the frames, 3 frames. Here the output means pop-up will come that please enter maximum number is 16, so please enter below that. So yes, that's the first in first out simulation. After that we can get the graph of it. In the graph part, same we have to input the number of order of pages. We have to select the frames. Now selecting 3 frames. Now show the graph. So in this, it shows the page fault in FIFO algorithm. This graph shows the page fault in FIFO algorithms. Here the 3 bar graph are because we have selected 3 frames. Now if we select 5 frames, there will be 5 bar graphs occurring, and each shows the. Now we are moving towards the next algorithm. Next algorithm is optimal page replacement. In optimal page replacement, the theory of it has been given. The explanation is given in the simple way below it, and this is the advantages and disadvantages. Now we can do simulation from clicking on simulation. Exactly inputting the same string. Here we have to keep in mind that the space between each and every digit should be there. Otherwise, uh, it will take non-spaced digits as a whole. Okay, let's suppose this is 500, not giving the space between n frames, and show output. Then here it will come as a 500, 500 as a page order. Now if we input the space between it, it will become as a page order. This is the page order. Now we have implemented 15 pages. We have selected 3 frames. Yes, it is correct. We got 7 hits, 8 faults. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. We are getting same as the pages. Means our calculation is correct. Hit ratio is 0.47 and miss ratio is 0.53. So this was our optimal page replacement. Now going towards, okay, in optimal page replacement there is a graph. Same type of graph will be here only. If we select, let's suppose 3 frames. So page faults in optimal page replacement, it shows the graph of page faults in optimal page replacement. Then exactly in recently used, least recently used, the explanation of that part is the algorithm is given. The explanation and the example, advantages and disadvantages are also given. Here the advantages is it's never suffers from Ballard's anomaly. First, in the starting, I have said that uh, we have classified on the basis of Ballard's anomaly too. Now simulating the least recently used LRU algorithm, inputting the string. Now let's suppose 10 frames. So okay, taking the 10 frames, here we can uh, cross verify that we have inputted 15 string. Yes, page is 15. Frame number of frames 10. Hit 7, fault 8. Adding the hits and faults we are getting is equal to pages, which we can cross verify which is correct, and hence there is no calculation mistake in our algorithm. Hit ratio is 0.47 and miss ratio is 0.53. This is the page replacement algorithms LRU. Now in the same manner we can get the graph of it too. It shows the page fault in LRU algorithms. Okay, and yes, this is the full website that we have created for the OS Virtual Lab, so that the students can get to it using the website to gain the knowledge. And yes, that's over. That's all from team number 17. Thank you.